Hola, mi nombre es Nelly and I'm from Zappos.com. This is Carrie's small bucket bag from Michael Kors. Here we have this beautiful small bucket bag made of leather, and it features an adjustable crossbody strap that can also be used as a shoulder strap. The main compartment opens up with a drawstring closure. Inside, it features a removable pouch that's going to help keep everything nice and organized. This bag also features a key fob to help keep your keys in place. And as you can see, the interior is very roomy, perfect for all of your essentials. Add instant beauty to your shoulder with a sophisticated handbag from Michael Kors.